This is the good supporter. It's not about only supporter. We are a good friends for a long time. Even you are before the lockdown. Yeah. Even like wherever you are, what a kind nationality you are. We are a good friends. Even in Facebook. Even in Facebook, we call video call, right? Me, I love people who always remembered me. Oh no, I don't have finished my medicine. I have to buy because I have eczema. I have eczema and I'm very allergies for food, everything, detergent, how's everything? Good, fine. Everything it's good, fine, and everything it's changing, especially my hair. So my hair is short now. I'm happy with it. I feel comfortable. All right, you have six. This is for seven. Oh, sorry. Yes, I saw it. Yeah, you remember that my hair it was long. It's come short. I created a new difference. Not only same, but out after it will be long again. But for now, I feel relaxed, especially if it's wet. Now my hair it's wet, so no more it's catching on my no more it's touching on my neck because I get allergy in my neck. It's like so sleepy. Oh, you have to sleep now, Ramen. Thank you so much. Appreciated that you are even a little bit time you stay in my life. Well, it's nice to see you after long and now I'm feeling sleepy. So crushy catch you morning. Oh, thank you so much. You have to sleep, Kim. Don't worry. I will give you. I can make you 10 for today. Thank you so much. 3 million in the house. I'm just making live so I will get sleepy too. And after when I get sleep, I live my life and I keep your link here, bitay bitay. You know what is bitay bitay? It's doing like this, holding in my. But still, guys, don't forget to dikit-dikit akin puso. Yes, always dikit-dikit your puso is over there. Good night. Good night. Good night, Ramen. Good night, Trouble and Stories. Very nice. Very nice name. No on your mind everything I unstoppable. And every day I so